Want to learn this 2026 trending number pop-out effect in Canva? You are in the correct place. So let's start. So first I will go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write 2026. And after that I will change the font here to Sports World. And I will click on it, and then I will just make it bigger. Okay, like this. I will keep in the upper hand side, and after that mark the edges with the rulers. So if you don't have the rulers here, just place Shift plus R in the keyboard so that the rulers get activated, and then you mark first with 0. Okay, let's zoom and check if it is covering the edges or not. Okay, now it is covering the edges. Now I will click on R to activate a rectangle, and I will just place it here and just crop it, and I will just remove the rulers and check if it is working fine or not. So it is going slightly in the left, so I will move it here, and now I will just duplicate it, place one time here, duplicate it, place one time here, and I will just adjust it accordingly. Okay, and after that I will just adjust with the numbers. Okay, now let's zoom out and check. So it is working fine. Okay, and now I will just extend it further till here, and I will move it and extend it all to the same size. And now I will just remove the rulers because it is not required now. I will just zoom out a bit, and after that I will click on add page, and I will use a picture style image, and for that I have taken the help of freepik.com, and where you can find AI generated picture style images. So there are many. Okay, so I have chosen an image which I have already uploaded in Canva, which is this one. So it is also present here. Let me show, which is this one, as you can see. Okay, now let's make it bigger, and after that I will just click on edit and scroll here in the Magic Studio, click on Magic Expand and click on whole page, click on expand. So this one looks fine. Let's click on done. Okay, and now I will just cut the image from here and paste it in the page 1. Okay, and I will just decrease the transparency to check whether it looks good with the image or not. So I will just make it bigger. And as I want to make a pop-out style, so I am keeping it in the middle so that I can create a pop-out for the characters. Okay, and after that just increase the transparency and just cut the image, press Ctrl plus X again and paste it in the second page. Okay, and now just download both the pages, click on share, click on download, make sure both the pages are in PNG and click on download. Now click on add page, and after that just re-upload both the designs. And after that, let's first create the background, and for that click on add page and bring the main image here. Click on Ctrl+C to copy it and Ctrl+V to paste it, and just extend it to the whole of the canvas and click on edit and click on blur. Now click on whole image and intensity will be 90. Okay, and after that click on this cross button here because the background is set. Now scroll down to find apps here, click on here and write blend. Click on blend image and make sure the blend mode is in screen and use this 2026 as the bottom layer. Click on use selected image and this one as the top layer, and your image is set, and click on add to design and just bring it here and make it bigger. Okay, so as you can see it has a white background, so I will need to remove the background clicking on BG remover. So as you can see background is removed, but as you can see the letters also become slightly invisible, so I need to work on that. And also some white layers are here in this two part, so I will need to also work on that. So for that I will click on BG remover twice, so it will activate the erase panel, erase and restore panel. So I will just reduce the brush size to 5 and zoom the picture and work here. Okay, now click on done here, and after that here in this part I will click on edit and click on shadows, click on outline and make sure the size is 7 and the color will be white, and just wait for a little bit of time so that the effect takes place here. Okay, so now the effect is here, but as I said previously I need to work on the pop out part. So for that I will bring the image again by pressing Ctrl+C in the keyboard and Ctrl+V here and adjust it to the canvas. Okay, and now I will click on BG remover to use only the characters, and as you can see the characters are here and the pop out effect is created here.